Good day, viewers! Welcome to Las Piñas, Parañaque Wetland Park, a home of 80 bird species such as Chinese egret, plovers, Philippine duck, and etc., and many other varieties of mangroves.
Our wetlands calls our youngsters to account against pollutions amongst waters across Manila rivers and waterways. So, how can we students help to conserve and protect our wetlands against its degradations from human activities?
As a student, your student should join in cleanup drive, most likely offered by agencies like DENR.
Keeping your trash segregated will help mitigate the release of garbage into large bodies of water.
As a student, helping raise awareness to everyone makes big impact on how can we lessen or totally prevent destruction of this wetland.
We are students. We will inform,
Promote,
conserve, and advocate for our beloved wetlands.